First, we need the file structure. Now let's link them together. Next, a button that will open the modal and the modal itself with some content, including the closing button. We'll use the classes to style the elements and the IDs to target them in JavaScript. Now for the CSS, besides the basic styling of the page, we need a little bit of magic, aka showing and hiding the modal. We'll achieve that using a different class, which we're going to toggle later in JavaScript. Very important. The positioning of the modal is fixed and it's stretched across the entire page. And in order to keep the inner box in the center, we're going to use flexbox. Last but not least, the JavaScript. We're targeting the opening and the closing buttons and the modal, and then we add a click event for each button to add and remove the open class on the modal.